How true. I've just been listening to Jim Rohn in the car as I'm on my way to a meeting, and very conveniently maybe the railway signal came up and the gates came down, so I've got a couple of minutes just to sit here, and it made me reflect and think about what he was saying on his audio. How true. That he talks about purpose, and we all need a purpose in life, and it's actually the purpose in life that can perhaps drag us out of bed in the morning to get us doing the things that we do. And sometimes I think it's about clarifying that purpose. And what Jim says is that the stronger the purpose, a bit like a magnet, the stronger the pull. The stronger it pulls you towards doing the things that you want to get done for the benefit of yourself and for other people as well. And it reminded me, of course, that fairly recently through SFM I did the brand incubation course, and really what I learned from that is actually constructing my own purpose, to really kind of understand, what my values are and what I'm trying to do in life and how others can benefit from that. And my purpose became as a statement, and it goes like this: my purpose in life is to invest in others to help them be in a better place, respecting and valuing their journey and supporting them through life's challenges. And that's exactly what I love to do. And even within SFM, that's really what I'm trying to do, help other members that join SFM to build a successful business for themselves within this community. Excuse me. So if you're one of those people in SFM, then hopefully I can reach out to you and I can help you to be successful in the same way as I'm on a successful journey with SFM too. Anyway, look, I'll let you get on. Looks like the gates are going up, so I'm going to have to go. Okay.